Yan. Pwede mo bang ipakilala ng bahagya ang iyong sarili?
Ako po si Gertrude Elijah R. Lavinia, second year, BSIT course, and badminton pole sports.
Sa paanong paraan na-improve ang memory mo sa pagsali sa intramural sports, lalo na sa pag-alala ng mga strategy sa laro, mga rules o team plays?
Sa previous school ko, di ba, naglaro ako. Doon, ina-apply ko siya. Though may nakakalimutan ako na mga techniques, mga strategies, may nakakalimutan ako. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, pag may practice, ganyan, talagang inaalala ko sila. O ano yung mga ginagawa ko. Hindi lang dito sa school na laro, kasi naglalaro din ako sa ibang court. Yun. Nadadagdagan siya, tas nalilimutan, tas pag-aaralan ulit. Iikot lang siya na iikot.
So, paano mo hinaharap ang mga hamon sa intramural sports? Halimbawa, tinitingnan mo ba ito bilang threats o bilang opportunity para sa growth mo?
Opportunity siya sa akin. Kasi, more on computer kami eh. Pero wala akong masyadong galaw kasi eh. Computer, school, bahay. Yun lang ako eh. Tapos, ayan, ginagawa ko siya. Papadagdag din ng grades. Opportunity siya sa akin. Papadagdag grades.
Sige.
Kahit konti lang alam ko.
So, 3. Ano ang nag-motivate sa iyo para sumali sa intramural sports? Dahil ba sa pagiging competitive mo para makisalamuha sa iba o may iba pang dahilan?
Una nun kasi para sa grades. Pangalawa, sport ko talaga siya. Gusto ko siya ma-practice pa. Then, una ko sa grades, di ba? Una sa grades. Pangalawa, sport ko talaga siya. Pangatlo, gusto kong ma-practice yung makisalamuha sa iba. Kasi introvert ako eh. Ay, ambivert, kumbaga. Kasi, introvert ako sa ibang tao. Pagdating sa mga ka-close ko, extrovert ako. So, gusto ko pa ma-practice yun na makisalamuha talaga.
Yeah, number 4. May napansin ka bang anumang pagbabago sa iyong social cognition tulad ng pag-improve ng communication skills mo? O mas nag-improve ang conflict resolution mo dahil sa pagsali sa intramural sports?
Yung communication skills ko, madami akong nakasalumuha eh. Kahit iba't ibang course nakakausap ko sila. Kahit small talk lang. As in, tanong-tanong lang yun. Hindi kagaya dati nahihiya talaga ako.
Number 5. Paano nakatulong ang pagsali mo sa intramural sports sa iyong personal growth? Tulad ng pagkatuto ng mga bagong skills, pagpapalakas ng kumpiyansa o pag-improve sa pag-control ng emosyon?
Halos lahat yun eh. Kasi, di ba yung una
nagbagong skills.
yung skills, may nadagdag ulit. Natutunan ulit. Tapos pangalawa din,
Ang palakas ng kumpiyansa.
yun, confidence.
Tapos,
Medyo confident na, hindi na kagaya dati. Then, pangatlo, yung
pag-improve sa pag-control ng emosyon.
Oo. Kasi, medyo napipindot sa anger. Lalo na pag naglalaro. Kaya, ngayon, konting improvement ba doon sa emotion na yon? Yun lang.
Thank you.
I observed during her 2 matches that she was really playing chill with her partner in the game. But the last match against criminology student, she feels nervous and shaking until the game ends. But her partner in game said it was okay when they lose because it's just part of the game. She also mentioned that her communication skills improved because she encountered many students there and she managed to be friend with her team and support each others during their matches. I also observed that whenever they get a score or not, they use their badminton rackets to high five or tell it's okay.
Anxiety is just around the corner, and what I learned from watching is that the relationship between teammates also plays a vital role for the success of winning. Planning strategies before and during the game, making your teammate feel your presence for them to know that they are not alone, and most of all, a friendship that you never knew you will have, even for just a small amount of time. I can also agree that having to play during the intramurals is an opportunity for self growth. Just like them, I also struggle with socialization and time management. So, being exposed to sports where you will be guided and disciplined about time management is indeed a good practice. And being in a team helps boosting a person's confidence to not just have a conversation, but also gain trust because you are aware that there's a team you can rely on.
Cognitive psychology teams played a key role in shaping participants' experiences and social bonds during intramurals. Players who viewed challenges as opportunities for growth demonstrated greater resilience, while focus on personal improvement led to higher satisfaction and engagement. Support from family, friends, and teammates enhance performance and self identity, fostering confidence and a sense of belonging. Both intrinsic and extrinsic motivations, along with positive peer influence, drove players to excel. Effective teamwork based on good communication and trust improved focus and performance. These teams were crucial in promoting personal growth, teamwork, and success.